We know yoga feels great and it's good for us, but have you ever stopped to think about why? Well, you can learn the philosophy behind yoga in a 2-day workshop at Nutriamed Metabolic and Lifestyle Center coming up on June 8th and 9th. Here to tell us all about it is owner and medical director of Nutriamed, endocrinologist Dr. Samar Burche. What's this workshop all about?
So this workshop will introduce you to a sister science of yoga, which is Ayurveda yoga. We are very grateful to have Heidi Farber, who is one of the best and most renowned yoga teachers in the area, teaching classes at Nutriamed. Heidi comes from Hummingbird Yoga Studio, and she will be conducting this amazing transformative workshop. She's the first yoga teacher who really helped me fall in love with yoga. I did it a lot before, never understood why I was doing it, but she was able to teach me what is it really that makes yoga very healthy and how to practice it properly. So through this one-of-a-kind workshop, Heidi will take you through this transformative journey of Ayurveda. This is a powerful practice of yoga and a powerful proof of health benefits, of connecting with nature, wellness, gut health, sleep and circadian rhythm, joint and muscle health, mental health, and much, much more.
It's something that everyone should experience. It is so powerful. How can people sign up? What time and what dates again?
So it's going to be on Saturday, June 8th and Sunday, June 9th. It's a 2-day workshop from 12 to 2 p.m. It's at Nutriamed Metabolic and Lifestyle Center, 3100 Hingston Avenue, in Egg Harbor Township, in the Produce Junction Shopping Center. And you can sign up online at nutriamed.com, or you can call us at 609-415-2888 to sign up.
Again, 2-day yoga workshop, 12 to 2 at Nutriamed Metabolic and Lifestyle Center on June 8th and June 9th. Thanks so much for joining me, Dr. Samar Burche. And you are living well with Robin Stoloff.